Hey there, future inventors! Splash here, wearing my smart glasses for our coolest adventure yet, California's amazing world of technology. We're heading to Silicon Valley, where the world's most incredible inventions come to life. Get your imagination ready as we power up for some high-tech fun. Welcome to Silicon Valley, where innovation happens. Why silicon? It's what computer chips are made of, and this special valley is where they started making them. Amazing companies like Apple and Google began right here in regular garages. Now their offices are like fun playgrounds with slides, games, and even robot helpers. How cool is that? California's inventors are like modern-day wizards. The first personal computers were born here. Before that, they were as big as rooms. Smartphones, electric cars, and your favorite apps. All dreamed up right here. These amazing inventors turn imagination into reality every day. Want to see how they do it? Let's find out. Ever wonder how cool gadgets work? It's all thanks to coding, giving instructions to computers in their special language. It's like teaching tricks to your pet, but with ones and zeros. Watch this. I type, move forward, and my character walks. Type, jump, and up it goes. With coding, you can create games, apps, even control robots. Pretty amazing, right? Ready to peek into the future? California's inventors are creating amazing things. Self-driving cars, ocean-cleaning robots, and even plans for Mars trips. And with virtual reality, you can explore anywhere, swim with whales, visit ancient Egypt, or float in space. Soon you might even do homework in 3D with special glasses. The future is full of surprises. What an incredible tech journey! We've discovered Silicon Valley's secrets, amazing California inventions, the magic of coding, and tomorrow's technology. Remember, every cool invention started with someone like you having a great idea. Next time, we're traveling back in time to meet California's first peoples and learn their amazing stories. Until then, this is Splash saying, stay curious and keep inventing. Cowabunga. You did it, adventurers! Subscribe and like to enjoy new stories every day. Scan the QR code for freebies like Coloring Book and Storybook. Link is also available in the video description section. Check it out and have fun. Bye.